guys, so I have a little haul here. I've been picking up a few pieces online for probably the past 2 weeks now, and I'm pretty happy with everything I got, and I feel like it's enough to show you a haul, so let's just get into this. The first place that I ordered from was Free People. I kind of wanted this for an outfit idea, and I also took some inspo from Jessica Stockstill. If you guys know, you know that I love her. She's my favorite YouTuber of all time. But I really love how she put this little outfit together, this cute little set. And recently I was in Urban Outfitters and I picked up this really cute slip skirt, and then I found a little cute top to match it for my job, and then I was like, oh, this will complete it if I had that little top that she wore with her set. So let me show you what I picked up. Okay guys, so this is the little baggy thing because I think I threw out my Free People bag. I think it was just in like one of those cleaning modes, and I just tossed it, and I was like, you know, I'll just throw this in my little bag. And yeah, can we just talk about how stunning this is, you guys? It's so beautiful. Like, I really love the little asymmetrical thing going on at the bottom. I love how the lace trimming is a little bit wider and looser, if that makes sense, and it's a long sleeve. I think it's just so cute. It's like white, it's this like ivory color, and I think it looks so pretty, and I can't wait to style this with my outfit that I'm gonna wear for my birthday. I got this in an extra small because this was literally the last size that they had in this, and then they had it in another color, but I really just wanted this neutral base ivory white color. I feel like it'll work at a stretch. So yeah, it's so pretty, you guys. I'm obsessed. This top was $48, so I feel like that's not bad, and this is a good little staple to have, even just like going out or like just spicing up an outfit, even something with like a beach cover up thing. I feel like this could be a vibe, you know what I mean? So happy about this piece. And then I love how long the sleeves are, because as you guys know, I'm very tall and I have long arms, and I feel like it's just so cute, and it has this little like ruffle edge to it. I don't know, it's beautiful. So you guys, the next thing that I ordered offline is, of course you guessed it, something from Kittenish, because I am obsessed. Like, I literally wish I can go back in time and pick up every single item from one of her collections. But this is the bag. I already opened this one, and I wore one of the pieces in here, but I thought I'd just present it to you in its like state that it came in. So I ordered a pair of trousers from Kittenish. I wanted the matching blazer, but they do not have my size, and I'm really contemplating on just getting it, even though it's an extra large, because I feel like I can take it in, right? Like, can I go to like someone and have them like make it fit me well? I don't know. It's literally 6 a.m. and my brain is not processing, but I feel like I want this set, you guys. Like, her blazers are really great quality, and like the style of it is so gorgeous. But here are the pants. They're just navy blue trousers. They go all the way down. They kind of have this little straight leg with a little bit of flare, but not really. I love the little side detailing here. It's like a navy blue trouser, and then it has this little like black leather lining that goes all the way down the trouser, and it just gives us this nice little edge and touch. And I just like, I am obsessed. Like, I want all of her freaking blazers and trousers because they're so amazing. And it came with an extra button here, the little pocket here, another little button just to secure it and make it even more tighter, and then like this little zipper part. I kind of don't do all that because like I bloat super easily now, especially when I like have a coffee, so I kind of just zipped it and then did this little hook on it, and you never know, you know what I mean? I'm just obsessed, you guys. Like, that's the least thing I can even say for this because it's so gorgeous. Alright, you guys, the next thing that I ordered from Kittenish is a cute little knit top. I thought this would be cute for the summer, and I love the way this was styled on the model on her site, and like I saw it all on my Instagram feed, and I was just like obsessed. I was like, yep, I need to have this summer piece because I don't have something like this in my wardrobe, and I feel like it's a great neutral piece to have, like beach wear and just like everyday summertime wear. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's one of those like crochet knit vests. Look at, you guys, it's so cute. I am obsessed with her. She's cropped. You guys know I am obsessed with my little cropped era right now. This is the back of it. I'm gonna show you the buttons because they're this really cute, like vintage looking detailed button, and I think it just ties in nice. Super cute. I am literally obsessed. I didn't try this one on yet, but I know it's gonna fit well. It's a small. And yeah, I love it. She's really gorgeous, and I can't wait to wear this like maybe going to the beach or like a cute little day out in the summer. And it's just so light and breathable. I can even put like a t-shirt underneath, or like a crop t-shirt, and then throw this on and give it a nice little edge. Like, super cute, right? So I love this. Alright, you guys, and the last thing that I ordered has just came in the mail yesterday, and I'm super happy that it got here. I literally did express shipping. Why? There's no reason why I did it. I just wanted it quicker. So I just got it. I'm kind of impatient right now, and I want to show you the front of it, but I also don't want to show the shipping address. Maybe I'll fold it. So it came in a little bag like this. I don't know why I'm covering my face, but it came in a little bag like this. It says like the little logo of Yellow, the label, which is super cool. And then this is the bag. It's super cute. Can you guys guess what this is? I ordered a bikini. I literally don't have any swimwear for this season, so I'm super excited to be adding this in as my first swimwear piece. And I can't wait to collect more. I want to order some Kittenish swimwear, but I'm not sure what to get yet, and I don't want to take too long and like everything sells out, because that's usually how it goes on her sites. But let's just open this, and yeah. Cute. Oh, so cute. Okay, so this came with a little card. It says, "You're more than just a pretty face, but your face is pretty." That is super cute. And there's this little thank you note on the back. It says, "Thank you so much for supporting our small business. Every purchase helps us invest in new sustainable solutions and projects to advance women internationally." Love. If you love your new yellow and bold, make our day by tagging us at Yellow, the label. I didn't really know this was even a small business brand. I stumbled across this brand on Instagram. It was just like one of those ads where they show like things that you're into. Like if you're into makeup, they're gonna show you makeup. If you're into like cars, they're gonna show you like sponsored cars and things like that, and like ads of it. But this was like a bikini, and I just fell in love with this floral print, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It came in this cute little dust bag, and I will be reusing this. So this is it. Oh my god. Okay, it looks kind of different than on the website. Like I feel like sometimes the color, but it's obviously a slay. I still love her. She's not even on my body yet, so I can't really give the full, like, you know what I mean, review and deets, but I can't wait to wear her somewhere. This is a little bralette thing. And I love that it's like adjustable straps. I will definitely be needing that with my size, you guys, because we need all the support for the girls. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but I'll try to like add links for everything that I picked up. But it's this really pretty floral print, and it's all girly and feminine, and I just love this floral print. It's very light, and it looks like a bra. Like it literally looks like a bra, but it's a swimwear bra. So we love that. I got this in a size medium, just for my chest size, but I feel like it will be true to size for you. Alright, you guys, and this is the bottoms. I really love the high waist of this bottom. It's very flattering the way the model had it on, so I feel like it will look cute. And like even this little bikini set with like a little white button up over it, and like some sandals, you guys, and a cute little beach bag. Are you kidding? And I really love this like lace trimming here. It's so pretty. I'm really into this right now, you guys. You guys, I'm sorry if the lighting looks really bad here. It's like a very gloomy day. So I got the bottoms in a small. I feel like I should have gotten an extra small, but I feel like because it's like such a high-rise bikini bottom, that's why it looks like really large. But I feel like it'll fit very well on my body. But I love this. Even like kind of like a little high-waist bikini bottom, which is cute because you guys know everything is cropped for me, and like I love the high waist underneath the crop. So I'm excited to pair this together and wear it, and I definitely will be taking some pictures in this and like tagging them on Instagram. But she is stunning, you guys. Let me try to put this together. You guys, it's just the little details on this that really like make me super happy and like want to go back for more because it's so cute. It's kind of pricey, but I feel like it's a great investment piece, and if it's something I truly like and it makes me happy, why would I not get it? I really love the little gold pendant to clip the little bathing suit. It's like a little clasp, and then this is just really adorable, you guys, and I'm excited to wear her. And I actually saw another ad for them. I will insert that at the bottom as well, but it was super cute and I want to go back and get that one. Why is this little segment so long, you guys? I feel like it's probably 20 minutes in total time of me filming because I had so many like mess ups and I had to just like stop and keep going and like fixing my hair and little makeup touch-ups. But anyways, I really love everything that I got in this haul. The next thing that I'm going to need for my little summer must-haves is like some sandals and maybe some heels, like neutrals, you guys, of course. But